gotta take out a section there so I can get the bow eye through. Nothing is ever easy. Just as simple as drilling a hole to put a stinking bow eye, it's taken forever. The hole is made. It's a little wider than a ½ inch, so I can put the surrounding with epoxy so if there's ever water, it doesn't penetrate into the wood. It'll hit the epoxy first. But I had totally forgotten that we put this brace on the inside by the nose, and so I didn't account for that when I got the length of the bow eye. I think the bow eye is like 8 inches. So tomorrow one's gonna come in that's 10 inches, and then I'll be able to put that in place and make sure it's locked in place so none of the movement of the boat as it's going in the water can undo it. And then after that, it's onto the floor. Eesh. I need to drill a ½ inch hole in there so I can run the bow eye through. Whoa, smoking hot. This thing is so hot right now. So I'm gonna put support on either side of this thing so that when it gets pulled, it disperses the weight on either side. So we have Buttercupa's belly button. It's solid epoxy. Now I'm gonna drill in ½ inch to fit the bow eye bolt. She's got her little belly button. Boop! With a nice margin of epoxy. Boop! Now she has a belly button ring. There's these rollers under the boat, and I need to take them off the trailer. I need to take the axle cap off, but it's been jammed on there. So I'm gonna cut them off, and that could go terribly wrong. This one is gonna suck big time. So we got a little bit of a situational setback. The interior paint that I put never cured, never dried. And this is typical setback after setback after setback, every step of the way. And that's how it goes. So adding some heat to hopefully start up the chemical process to help it harden. Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, so far. Stop for a second. All right. Go ahead. You're clear.
That is cool.
Thanks.
Alright, so the front we can hold by here. The back, whoever's in the boat will just hold. I mean, unless you don't want to get on the boat when we're launching it.
I mean, I don't mind.
The trailer was thick.
Want your pictures of TV?
Oh, sure. She's out of the house for her first time out of the house. What is that sound? It's about time, man.
It's about time.
It's so late.
I miss you.
I missed too.
How are you?
Good, how are
Sorry
you?
about that.
Okay, we need to delegate. Are they
Yeah.
coming out?
That's what you said.
Oh yeah.
Baraka. Alright, Amy, the moment we've been waiting on. Is she gonna do it?
You got a good angle? Don't go too far. Keep that in line.
She's not in the water yet. There we go. She touched it. She's not getting up. Oh, she's floating.
More. Is she totally floating?
She's 100% floating.
Okay.
Unless the front is not, I can't see that one. Oh, she's totally.
She's totally floating.
Oh my god.
I
She's
got
not
it
even
hurt
in the
with
water.
Alright, that's it, Junior. Let me just mark the back. Oh my gosh.
They didn't believe in it.
We gotta cut the transom down like the whole freaking thing.
It's barely touching. It's floating like a lot. Here, hold this.
Get your leg on the top here. It's not holding you?
No.
Look like a fish.
Oh, I can get.
Mark.
Oh no, brother.
Girl, I got muscle deterioration. You can do it.
Yo, my knee's shaking.
You got it. Just flop like a fish. You got it. Just flop like a fish. Just let it flop. There you go. Awesome. Ooh.
You want to remeasure?
Junior, you have your phone on?
Hold on.
I'm waiting for this.
Pull her back.
Wait, let me get another picture.
One or two?
Which way am I pulling? Like,
You're good right now. In case you need it. I think so. Is it good in the back?
Yeah, make sure the neck is on.
Yeah, the neck is on. Yeah, we're ready.
And I got no.
No, wait.
It's too much to the right.
Too much this way?
Yeah.
To go that way?
Yeah.
So we need to drop.
Or use your body weight to shimmy it over.
I can't see, so you tell me.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
It's good?
There you go, yeah.
It's good now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Neck is good?
Neck is so far.
Tub, keep going. Keep going. It's good.
Yeah.
I mean, if somebody wants to push from the back, they'll probably don't want to force it.
How's it going, man?
Why are you filming me, man?
Why are you filming me?